Structure of the heart. Objective: to study the structure of the human heart. The human body is made up of many organ systems, and the heart, which is a muscular organ, forms a part of the circulatory system. The heart is about the size of a fist. Its lower end tilts about 1.5 centimeters to the left, and it is located between the lungs. It is covered by a double membrane called the pericardium, and its prime function is to pump blood throughout the body. Now let's learn about the structure of the heart. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 are called the atria, and the lower 2 are the ventricles. The 2 chambers on the right side of the heart are called the right atrium and the right ventricle. And the 2 on the left side of the heart are the left atrium and the left ventricle. The atria have thin walls and the ventricles have thick walls. The wall of the left ventricle is thicker than that of the right ventricle. As the left ventricle pumps pure blood to a large section of the body, and the right ventricle pumps blood only to the lungs. The chambers on the right side of the heart are separated from those on the left side by a partition known as the septum. The septum prevents the mixing of the oxygen-rich blood in the chambers of the left side with the carbon dioxide-rich blood in the chambers of the right side. The atria are connected to their respective ventricles by flap-like structures called valves. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. It has 3 flaps. The mitral or bicuspid valve is situated between the left atrium and the left ventricle. It has 2 flaps. The valves are attached to the muscles of the heart. When the muscles contract, the valves open, and when they relax, the valves close. The opening of these valves allows the blood to flow from the atria to the ventricles, and the closing of these valves prevents the blood from flowing back to the atria. All the 4 chambers of the heart are connected to different blood vessels. The right atrium is connected to the vena cava, and the right ventricle is connected to the pulmonary artery. The left atrium is connected to the pulmonary vein, and the left ventricle is connected to the aorta. The atria receive the blood and send it to the ventricles. The ventricles pump the blood received from the atria out of the heart. The right side of the heart receives carbon dioxide-rich blood returning from the various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen. The left side of the heart collects oxygen-rich blood coming from the lungs and pumps it to all parts of the body. To summarize, the heart is a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers. The upper 2 are the atria that receive blood into the heart, and the lower 2 are the ventricles that pump blood out of the heart. The septum is located between the chambers of the right and the left sides of the heart. The valves present between the atria and the ventricles control the flow of the blood through the heart.